In today's video, we will show you how to use our AI chat assistant, Wingman. First, to enable Wingman, go to Admin Panel, General Settings section, then find and click on Wingman AI. Next, click on the Wingman chart. In the new pop-up window, set Wingman Chat to active. Select all permission groups that should have access to Wingman Chat. Read and accept terms and conditions, and click the Save button to enable Wingman Chat. Current Wingman status will be indicated in the active column. Afterwards, refresh the page. The Wingman icon will appear in the top right corner. Click on it to open or shut the window. The Wingman interface is simple and intuitive. In the top right corner, you can close or minimize the AI assistant window. Once minimized, Wingman will remain available in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can click on the icon to open the window again. In the top left corner, there is a sidebar icon. When you click on it, you will see your chat history, which you can return to at any time. To start a new chat, you can click on a New Chat button, or type in a message directly in the message field. You can click on a clip icon to upload files, such as screenshots or PDFs, to provide more context for Wingman Chat. If you click on the paper plane icon, the message will be sent to Wingman Chat. Below the message field, you can see information about the remaining monthly token limit. If you exceed the limit, please contact our support team. Wingman helps you find information faster, supports your daily work, and can also perform a variety of tasks directly in the system. For example, let's ask our AI assistant, how do I configure mailboxes in Lyon? Now, we need to wait for the response. As you can see, we received a step-by-step instruction for configuring mailboxes in the system. You can also ask Wingman to return detailed data related to your operation. For example, let's ask to find flights with Thomas Delta assigned as captain in the last week and calculate his total block time during that period. Once again, we have received detailed information, including what kind of operations were taken into consideration. Wingman can also perform numerous tasks. For example, let's try to change aircraft on already created flights. To do this, type in on all flights in April 2026, assigned for aircraft SP Lyon 3, switch tail to D Lyon. When Wingman needs to amend changes in your system, you will be asked for approval. You can either accept or reject the operation, and you can also mark the checkbox to allow Wingman to make changes in this current session. The task was successfully completed, and we received a short summary of the operation. We can now go to the Ops module and see that the changes are, indeed, reflected in the system.